Hey, this is a video showing you how to record your first lesson in Screencastify. In Screencastify, you need to, to pull it up, it's an icon in the upper right-hand corner since it's an extension. It's this little pink arrow. Click on that, and then you'll get a little menu with some options. So we're going to go through those real quickly. If you just want to record one browser tab, like you're not going to be switching between different tabs, you can do that. Most of you will be recording your desktop instead, so that means anything that shows up on the screen will be recorded. If you just want to record yourself on the webcam, like maybe you're demonstrating something or reading a book to students or something like that, you can choose webcam only instead. And you'll get some different options down here depending on what you choose. So if I'm going to record the desktop, then I'm going to use my microphone to pick up audio, and I can tell it's working because that little icon, the little sound stuff is bouncing up and down. And then I can choose whether I want to embed my webcam or not. So what this means is I can have my webcam in the corner of the screen the whole time, so students can still see you while they're recording. You're recording a lesson, so you'll see just a little box with the webcam. You can turn that on or off, and then if you click on more options, then there's some other things you can change. So there's a countdown timer when you start a lesson too. And it just counts down from 3. It gives you little beeps, and then you know when it starts recording. You can turn on or off drawing tools. Those show up on the bottom left hand of the screen. And you can turn on and off system audio too. So what that means is any audio that the computer plays, it will also be recorded. So not just the microphone from your computer, but also anything else. Like if you're showing a video or something like that, you'll need to have system audio on. And then this also allows you to show webcam preview before you start recording too. So you can decide which ones of those to turn on and off. And then to record, you click the record button. Once you start recording, see, I turned on the webcam preview, so in the corner, so this would be recorded as well. And it shows me what my webcam will look like before I start recording, so I can make sure that it's lit all right. Then I choose either to record my entire screen here, or if I'm just going to record like the Chrome browser, I can choose that too. So I'm going to do entire screen. And once I click share, then I'll get that countdown, 3, 2, 1, and it'll ding when it's ready to start. And now it's recording everything on the screen. I have my tools down here, like drawing tools. There's an eraser. I can turn on and off the embedded webcam too, if I want to have that in or out. There's a little pause button, so you can pause your video recording if you need to pull something else up or you forgot something, you just pause it. And then when you're all done with your recording, you can, the way that I usually stop the recording is I go up to Screencastify again, and now you see the menu looks a little different. Now it says the desktop's being recorded. I can either trash this one if I can already tell it's a bad video. That's fine. I can trash it. I can. I'm actually not sure what this one does. This is a pause button and then stop. And then once I click on stop, then it will take me to the Screencastify editing screen. And so that'll be for the next video.